So the control panels in the Expedition 66, you've got the main control panel on the right and the boiler controls on the left. And a simple on-off switch for the main one brings all the lights on. You've got the internal lights, water pump, and these are your levels, showing you what you got: fresh water, wastewater, etc. And then that's just the back key. Over to the right, this is where you control the, on the left you've got the heating, and the right is the hot water, both operated out of the boiler. And simply select your fuel source first of all, so gas or electric or both. You've got three little lights above the lightning sign. That will control the limit of the power coming into the van, so depending whether you're on a 10 amp, 6 amp or 12 amp supply at the post, you'll then decide which setting you want it on. And then temperature, just pressing the plus, it'll go around all the way up to the top. So that is your central heating supply. On the right you've either got a economy setting or a full setting for hot water, and again same thing about the lights. You'll notice that the lightning sign on the right hand side has gone to red, which indicates a problem, and the problem is we just don't have any water in the tank at the moment. So blue is good, red is not so good. If you want to turn them off, you simply dial them all the way down. They'll stay on in standby, but they will not be asking for any supply.